Yeah, but una they lead with. If una not agree among ourselves, that fire them come on the water side road. I go get the water from out. Do you have SLPP? When SLPP be there with small, now radio self them divide them, scatter apart people, they're free, of course. That's what I don't know if somebody there will be sabi that. It's radio. Now Philips radio. And then they give people, they bring people and say, "Now listen to me." Now they're not beginning about it. I don't know who I am. So tell when I know the good supporter. I don't know. I don't know. Wait, we don't keep them. Then don't go to register that old man. They were more than 65. We don't get picking abroad. We don't get picking where we able to buy rest too far. Then give them 200,000 each person. Free. And they say that money after 6 months or so, they can register the property. Then we give them trade that. No, get the car. Well, I tell you, I try you, so I tell you, I don't try get it. And then we don't pay. So, this is, and this battle, that vote today is done. We never get the money this first time. But if the vote done, we're not better, then the guy about to win. Because we are SLPP. So, we are let God make a heart on to SLPP. This gathering now today, believe me that folks, this government says for most people, they're not the big person for supporting. You begin self-now with the bit and take time, or if you wound them, they go to police, they get problem. So you see what this government don't bring? For them we realize for freedom. Then you're free. You do what you want to do once you're not fair person. Do ya not be possible for SLPP. For say it is for not believe me, we will not support you. The only thing that not really other man come on and particular beat you, go with the gamble and good one. Because if I not beat you, why for me? Then they did this lady with this team now, with the other people in America. What thing they don't do for me? This guy where they cancer so we meet the Cape Sarah Hotel. Why is it? They say we'll block up. We want to visit all inside the door. Hey, I say yes, but they say no worry. The money will bring. Now half for spend and then no problem. Yeah. Hey, Mama, what money? You don't let me now. Believe me. So we then take Motokada, we will work out. Next week, we will go Bro, Kenema, and other places. This week here, I'm a Canadian to the whole that today. Tomorrow, by this time, by the grace of God, now Stefano will do. He said, what you need to do so? Because they want to let the party win. And the party that by customer will win, not by fair this time. No one will affect you. Now we're not afraid though. So man can tell this party this time their violence will be. Believe me, violence will be. Anybody play violence, the election will go here. We are not going to talk about do that. Anybody dream of violence this election, the election will conduct here. We are the executive Koinadugu district. Would that one know say go win and for this people? If you are enemy self. Let me know that clear. If you are your enemy, say once it will be plus for you, it's better than your best friend with a minus for you. Like your best friend with a minus. This is the enemy with a plus. Go take the enemy. That plus they will need that. And so I said people not get enemy. Now whenever you see, I don't get a lot of people in there, like I don't sing like a song there. I don't sing like a song there, but I'm not singing like a song. Because we want you to sing like a land. We say, look at the palm tree. Look at this other party. But SLPP, it don't democratize, they don't pass now. But somebody thief the Banga hate the palm tree, make up simple. If you pull up palm tree, then who's going to get Banga hate? But it's not Banga hate, who's going to come out? Who's one better passing copy? Now the bank better. So you see, SLPP wanted this kind of this country. They want to work for unity. And I make them allow them. Do you have for say somebody that can't stay? You don't talk cost. They don't want cost. It's not make sense for that too. Jan Kaba say you better let them cost up and then take gun and cutlass go to this one. Me today I gladly. If I not bring them people, I can't tell them I for say that should be. Yeah, so after the meeting, the imams and we can have from the mosque, they will remain. Me and them are here to talk to us. We are letting pastor don't know vex so pastor wey month long they get small thing. Some pastor dey there they give them people. This man and the pastor now they get small. It's not the but the imam they know they get nothing. So anything be with sorry for them. Do you have allowed praying and we will meet you when midnight you want pray to God, let God make SFPP weak. They put small thing for them. Say let God make the big man the member of the South Africa run again. Because I want to run a metro or not to power over. Anyhow it be massacred. No. If you do that, they don't offend God. Now God take it. I get a more at the party. I don't get a more at the party. So not to power over. But you go to Monoman, say Monoman, I want this to do. I say, hey, Trano. Say, well, look at it. Say, hey, Trano. Say, what is not going to be? Say, I'm not going to be. Say, no, party make a baby. Say, well, go bring one man. You don't get what I know. Now, that will be the bring the restaurant and coffee, pass the menu. So, when the Monoman say, no, it's not possible, tell her, take it, come on. Don't do that, they walk down. You don't believe God. You go to the police, tell the truth. Don't tell the truth, you still not believe. Me they tell you now all things you will waste the time today for Canada. Not to waste time this so now that make the youth, the young generation talk. The youth they not agree come. No, the number small bro. If you check this down, the youth of this we need for say like 200, 300 youths in the past. Then the support, what I don't talk about for the candidates. Then why they go back, go begin ready and wait for that go get symbol because you don't go begin pour money per person. We don't get symbol. Now would I go select the district? Believe me, if it costs for me self for Canada for the program. And why they can bring me local people there? We not sing and dance to that. Well, if I say yeah, when I'm able to say I am dead, yeah. Not happy. Put out your local well.
Now this we expect from them. This SFPP, now we get SFPP. We'll not go stand by this SFPP for Rona Kwenedugo. Me when they talk soon at the Anchido, Papa Michael SFPP go in 1956 way ground. And we get a lot of people then by then at the end when they fight me that they concerning SFPP. Upon that all SFPP is stand strong. We only advise to the authorities that we that high table day. In terms of giving symbols, we now make sure see the symbol go to the right person. They can't be elder brother don't talk DF Kuruma. The right person, the person where people then ready for vote for. And let me tell you now Sierra Leone today, we the young man then, we don't come out overseas because we say in America for 20 years and that study. But I don't can deal with the people there for the past 9 years. I deal with them up and down. Because I know say you don't just come to America today, you can't you be somebody, you have to get into the system. When I make sure say, or everybody will be done represent this with districts. Definitely, the party will get some calls. We don't want them people that they for make them get this symbol because we know what the ordinary people that they talk with them, they're ready for votes. So do I mean it? I repeat them. All now we don't represent political districts. We don't be ministers, we don't be honorable them and other positions them. The leadership they end up a war in this country. This party don't come, it don't restore peace, it don't bring a lot of development and who ready for who preach to people then and the people they're ready for accept them. So they will now watch out. This party, we know it's an open party. We know the right people that we not SFPP people then. We know we want somebody we in other party there because SFPP open to everybody. You run today the SFPP and tomorrow they give position, you begin sabotaging this particular party. Now the point is that's why they express to the authorities there. Now the problem when they get even this life system, a lot of things will really happen in the country. Now because we get other party members there, when they still in them place they sabotage, Tijan Kaba, Sulubi, all the good things they do now. Would a real party member na in for the symbol. We get people that they don't come with in other style. But please, with this trip, with your mandate, we make a clear to una. We not go allow that, we not go stand by and see this district they go behind. We know say the party don't do a lot of good things there. What did this party don't do? APC no venture yourself for doing. Me when they talk so that me chiefdom we get over 8 to 10 primary schools today. We have a secondary school. APC got in power for 25 years, and we get some of uncles or brothers the way that heads been at that party. They did nothing for Koledugu. So I thank you very much. Una symbol, una know how una dey here. Thank you very much.
Well, I'm glad for all who don't talk now. Your Excellency, Ambassador Sako, you don't talk fine work. And I'm glad with member in talk also when DF Gorova in talk. Do your role at the E symbol. Look for a star. That star did it. And like we talk, if at all, for say me, Saradugu, if I know say for say the party go for them, you know, go there to the full man, we go for them, I don't believe her. No, Saradugu standing before you here, I tell you. People that are constituent 45, they vote for me. Not necessarily for the party, but because I know say SLPP, that the party that one day we really did for peace and tranquility. Now what I can do with them from the day where I young unto this day. And so therefore I don't go. When I watch out, not just go give party to somebody when you don't mean nothing. So people then they depend upon the party like how that election, they do election with the party. This the representation by Otimba. Now it makes some people that go parliament. But when you don't come and can, men like Saradugu, the political Bolgano for Koledugu district, I'm telling you, I will. Thank you.
Thank you. Man, like we, what is Megu Gladi for SLPP? About 2 points, because the seller person not talk long. First, number one, in making Pikida what to work the hard code. Fed don't know that this country. Because of the Angaba in Sabah. So we don't know, say, if you help the SLPP, we help the Solobi, continue to call more. Number one down there. Number two, from where comment them begins to down. Missing me there. You are where than the Komaka. Now we don't get free ticket where missing me than the Komaka. At the talk of old father with old mommy there. We know say evidence you don't SLPP win back. We know say Boku de Komaka. And when you don't Komaka, who will not land? You have to don't go to Africa. You can know what they do. Now make some of we with a particular for SLPP. Make a big man there, make them know how people they go there. Because if you see me skin and sorry for the God is sorry for you. Not all man go care, maka money for at the go maka. Man like a winner will pick it and send me. But the three people where we go, we see more people where they get free ticket. Then game person that we are not go support her. Then game party we are not go support her. Because we don't benefit from government now. Pass for Komaka. Old father, old mamide. We don't have English book. One, the way they come on America, we hear from the news. They say if you don't pass 75 years, they will pay you. That is not written it. The way they come on America, let God help them make some care position. So until that position, that word you go read here. If you meet in one way and care well body, they say they will get small salary where they forgive them in the house. So I tell you that thank you, they make you want to accept people. So Santa Muhammad.
Alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. We begin there. The youth there. We are listening small bit. The ambassador Sako, you welcome to Koledugu. We begin the way to come to America. We are thank you, let God get, let God protect you.
Me don't come on here, the pikin get me go America, I don't go to Ghana for 6 years. Who say I did so, American government dey give me money in the month in the year. Let God guide you. Let God protect you. All are the poor yonder for send in this country for help Dr. Sako and the government. Now we are strict. What we did now, I don't go to America, when we begin saying $100, I think we have fucking boy, $100 my same for me. But when I go see, I didn't work, put it out in the palm, many begin to take 2 weeks, let me no see. If they come 2 o'clock in the morning, if they come 6 o'clock in the morning, we will grab them go. Now hard working, let God protect me. What do they talk about SLPP? Man, like a woman don't do so, as ambassador say, what in the politics, the Islamic first politics, the war. Philippi Imam, no lie, but it who can talk. When you see something wrong inside the community, you talk and say it's not correct. God will help you. Either be pastor, again like church, you see something to go wrong. One pastor they talk now, we condemn the wrong. They condemn it. Some Christians they say, wrong now, also be. That pastor say, wrong if you drink down, don't go out of the inside way. That's what the guy can pastor and live. So think about business. Wallahi, we will not take time in this Sierra Leone. We will not take time. We will not say good. We will not say good. For say good, we will not think about the goodness. Think about the facility more than the look in America. They came with 15 states, look at the they make me chairman over 15 countries. Chairman for the Muslim. Any Moscow go, then they give that high respect. It's among white men. But what make a count? When peace don't come, when think about blessing, make this country go. If you don't resign, you don't do well. You have a leader. If you don't have a leader, you go say the referendum, let them vote for a paper. But you say no. A big democracy, from West Ham to Magai left this country. God will take out. We don't get that kind of democracy. If you are America, who is wrong? We don't have huh? Na pure democracy, I don't know what she does. But let me mind it back and back. If you know, I'm going to win. You know it. But let me mind with the bush, you know. They are both also now. You don't know so. 7 months for bush, 4 months for no so. We draw. What is it not in time? So what do? You are a big woman. Big man get wire. They take that halal for help this young kebab. What you don't start, they continue. We don't country, we don't show now, we don't look at children. Oh, that one turn away for when 200 houses. They're not doing that for you. Inside Kalabato, they are born now. They make 20 houses for you. That is Alakuma. Then they bring Arab with them. So that kind of day, the no one will have our country, God will support us. Let's try to develop it. You are at the top of the day, at the bed you begin there, at the bed you work there, the sister there, the papa there, the imam there. Let us support the government for the day. We command the worker to support that. But if you command not to pull out, God pull out. So for instance,
and the mama there for talk to the brother, Alaji Sako. Not to this Alaji Sako Asabina, in Pa Asabina Kalamba. Me na mona party member to Alaji Baba Wake na Kono. he writes, he left am for you, but if you ready for am, God dey give you. You all know about we need to understand. Then brother dem wey come, particularly sister wey come today, it did not be for you. Me say me, I glad it today because me your sister today, Tina, he addressed the issue for you. I'm very sorry, I'm not going English school. Now French school I go. Well, today, when sister Tina go na Rugi Mara, na Rugi Bari, but when you are not get right, na Rugi Mara. He said, it's enough for Mongo and Sunday. Lord too. 45 there. Me and sister there when a club member there. They all team up 1 foot for say SLPP na ina ukomra na hii the so two president na for SLPP. We want any woman who go better na that who kiss her, who satisfy her, it be for SLPP.
We get one story by your language. We will say if you don't dress, the full man, the dressing where you don't dress now, or something you send no more, you go do for that full man. So we, the Imam, we the Muslim, we know that for SLPP. What I mean about that, since they don't go do for you the full man, we the Imam then not going to do. And now we will come to the number where we don't meet with you and Haji Tijan together, face to face. Nobody knows what to stop them. If we say now 1 hour, they spend with it, that they are not going to count how much time. That they appreciate, don't satisfy, we don't get anything. We will gladly tell us, man. Because we go tell her what in our problem. If you not solve, say, with the hope, that hope then now you get solved it. So from that back, the man where he introduced to me, not of us say we see don't no more. We go interview because we can most love we religious, but Salo Utagotenki, the two religious, when a Christian and Muslim unite together because now we get inter-religious council, who mean one of the member from the inter-religious council, mean the chairman to the Muslim side. We know that for that side. But inside there, we go meet direct in the president back, the Alaji Jankaba, say now, you the left. Who said you the left with the Muslim? Because we are glad with religion, we are proud with religion, you are the Muslim leader. So see who the down, not without between Christian and Muslim, problem with it. Or still with the lost, say how to say the left with. They give you one story, if you don't understand, or some they understand. He said, this man where you don't introduce to me, in your hometown, who say don't born. He said, during this war, then go damage all the village. What did he do? What did he go? He go first build the mosque in your hometown. Sometimes some people go say, yes, now so it be. Before he they build the church now, sometimes the church now, sometimes no build, he don't build, we don't know. For that don't give the sacrifice say yes, still we do in young order, inside you don't risk it, 5 years, we did it. I believe say, like what thing we brother don't talk now, we appreciate. Now what I would appeal, we need the act. One day we no go meeting, we hear the bad word. Anything over there that issue, we need the act. Now this no more we need. Anything we need approval. What do they talk, we want to see them. So Salam Muhammad.
Section Jude, same time in Imam. Of course, we are now not no doubt but SLPP. Like how we will go to with the first caller. One country, one people, one should be SLPP. One way, okay. The only way for way out.
meeting here. Of course, I am voting the members of Port Alhaji Sako, His Excellency, the Ambassador to Conakry, myself, me one of the people that was against Papa Alhaji Sako, we just got up Garrett, Nakalamba, I can even challenge you for top local. You have Mahinyo. So you have Mahinyo. So I didn't know what to talk about. I'm going to be. I've been talking today, being a small bubble, and then we probably the Lord to Alhaji Sako. Then I've been looking at Guinea, and I will call people that want to go out refugee. Okay, being a refugee in Guinea, I know the way out Dr. Sako, 3 yanda. Billahi wallahi, the one of the nice people in the salon. If God marks you, salon to that way, this will be one of the leaders there who will lead you in this country. Because it's a man who is not proud at all. He will seek the interests of the common man. But then time people they will what? Roll on somebody when they make himself big pass mark, then the common man, you don't know what is the heart with. So tell and thank you for that. Welcome and Akela Dugus. And we promise and say, Billahi wallahi, we are supporters of the SLPP. Not for today, when we present there, we support the SLPP. You know, what I say the meeting in less Jama, not the quantity, but the quality. The quality will get let me so and then represent one whole chiefdom and one real chiefdom. And if I talk to people in the district, so we promise SLPP say, we will vote for them 100%. Because that's the one. And then for the nuclear village, the Mbombe village, so they're going to build 100 houses a day. Because this present government here, this present government, they make, we will put, as well for talk that, we will put transition, you know, we sleep 10 o'clock and only. We did not serve about 10 years, like our address to all of us, we need to be sus, because at the time back around. So we don't experience all that. Then tell me, say, they will say, why they overlook me. Look all what in their pocket. We don't pass all that kind unfaithful people that don't do anything in this country. The person who can, the party who can, make Ubeko after this country. If not a man officially, now we undress, we lead on to the time we want. Wallahi, we will support that person day. We will support that party day. The SLPP government, we, like our pastor going to talk, me have been chairman for APC for a long time. Me are the friend of SI Kuruma. Me are, if I don't be first man to SI, I will be the second. We really are going to go to around. Me are the representative of Adugu. But all these 25 years, better no day. So this sort of time when SLPP don't come, we don't get hospital, then don't be filled with tongue. We get school, we get market. Right now, we get Mabuti where developments don't be. The full man know what thing we dey vote for. We dey vote for development. For let the country go before. No vote government because me as one so person. For say you dey vote no more for get interest for a particular person, we no dey vote for particular person. Anybody wey SLPP begin the symbol. Now that person they will vote for. They will vote for SLPP. So I will talk about who anyway. I saw them for talk about who. So everybody will SLPP. I just stopped out with one statement. Not of the ambassador itself, but the bishop of the town. The organizing secretary for teacher support group by this district. The party came 3 or 4 months ago. They can't give me dollars. $100 loans. So for now we will meeting them. And then for now we will have a program chef. That our Lord and Lucy, the family do. So that I mentioned that.
Okay, now we will talk about truth. We will talk.
Extraordinary for Salona Guinea. My own mentor, Askia the Great, and the great philanthropist Africa will donate a trophy to the young people there. The mama and papa them, I was saying, good afternoon to our we don't come out at the stage of peace. We, His Excellency the President of Guinea. Now we're at the stage of development. I want to encourage all the young people there in Akwenadugu district for let's series and say that only government this will decide for give power to the people and self. They make decentralization, local governments can. They like this today, Akwenadugu district get the Ministry of Youth and Sports, meaning at the district youth officer. I want to say plenty thank you to His Excellency the President. Presently, the Vice President will launch the Youth Employment Summit. And that summit day, they get a scheme. The scheme, they like this today, Akwenadugu don't begin for implement under the Ministry of Health. The Ministry of Health don't create an avenue where they will employ 85 young people there, where they will do health monitoring issues there in the district. So we believe, say, if young people they galvanize their efforts and vote for the SLPP at this time, we're again at the stage of development to don't come up from peace, we can see, say, now, no chief of Northern school, no chief of Northern community health center, youth they mobilize themselves. So we are now one call on all the young people, like the man and the woman there, Lord series in and galvanize the effort and support for the SLPP government, so we will continue. Now, continuity once. If we allow the SLPP drop now, we go straight for see all the development they will not begin come for them to go before. But if we put them together, we will continue. The food to side, the food starts, now then the back foot they go before. I believe say this country will not push go before the young people in the city. I tell that thank you.
University. Are they here in the capacity of the National Union of Akwenadugu Students? That's now the picking area don't come on Akwenadugu here, don't go for land, and then different colleges and universities in the country. So we get to the meeting over here now, but since this is SLPP business, then we know say SLPP now a strong backbone to lead the students presently at the university. So on that, there's technique I can just make a brief statement to all the present now on behalf of NUCS, Okola Shops NUCS, National Union of Akwenadugu Students. Then we get the branch, we are SLPP branch, we don't already launch an Africa, but we launch an Kamalaya bank. Easter normally the setting of Kabbalah, we can always come with the students from different colleges who come assist in different ways. We'll be getting package for this particular Easter, but because of reasons we affect the students now, make we limit the package to the general cleaning when tomorrow. We get the general cleaning, we want for clean one hotel.